I'm out shooting some Auroras, see if I can find any.
No.
And I'm shooting 3200 ISO f16, 50 a second,
that?
so I don't overexpose the building there. 30 second exposure, here we go.
See the big area?
Yeah. So that's for the building. So the next one will be about 30 seconds. Maybe no, say 15th a second. We'll try that.
Oh my god. Check it out the film there, Papa.
In a minute, Ellie. Ellie monster stairs.
Yeah, but they're made it.
There we go. Looking alright. So that's me get 2 exposures. I'll show you. I've got the right one for the building. And then I've got one for the space. So I'll just merge the 2 of them together. Voila. It's getting brighter, look.
Girlfriend.
Is it? Right up there.
It is.
See it? See it? My phone's sleeping. This is not a good phone. Oh. Expert. Oh. No, that's 30 seconds. I can't stop that long. Oh no. I need to cancel that one. Look at the shakes. Oh, look at that. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 7, 4, 3, 2, 1. Doesn't work. That's 30 seconds. ISO 3200.
Probably go down to the field.
Yeah, we didn't have a look at it because it's bright, bright, bright.
Yeah, I see
Yeah.
it like. Oh, do you see the red stripe?
Yep. That's a good alcoholic drink as well. Red Stripe. I don't drink. See it now? Dark like this. You still the top. Mine don't lost my breath. Hans will call them up and go.
Papa,
Yeah.
look.
Sounds like
Here's our path. What's that now? The palace that's on?
what?
The palace, look.
Pilot.
Oh, I can see it there now. Oh, this isn't the field. Up there. Papa.
Right, watch your feet, Ellie. Right, put it up, John.
Okay, up those.
Not many people here now.
No.
Oh. Second exposure.
Oh! Look there! Here! Guys, I see a good one here.
Yeah.
Look, over there.
You see it? There's a green beaver. Get a lot of green into me. Oh, this one. 30 seconds.
I know a slide.
You're crazy. easy. It's not a slide. Right, here's a field.
Papa,
Do the heel.
it's like
Yeah.
a tiny shirt.
Yeah.
Look.
Yeah.
Mom.
Oh.
Mom. Go.
Can I just keep it going?
What?
Can I just keep it going?
Right, let's go for it.
There you go.
I'll just start another one. Just second time.
The torch.
It's quite right there.
Yeah, it actually does.
Like it.
Papa,
Yeah.
very tiny the field.
What for?
Because it's a red
Put
one.
another one up here. And there's a yellow. Right up the sky.
Can I have a torch back?
Let's people taking pictures. You'll ruin their pictures. Oh. There we go. See? Did you see it? Stop.
Yeah.
Right.
Yes.
Need it out here.
Guess what? I went to a harvest assembly today at school.
Did you?
I was singing along. The nursery went too.
Really?
Oh.
Oh, you done it. I see you ruins.
Can we keep the lady here?
Yes, sir. I'll get me up the Stonehouse and get him. Big flash in it. Splash it like.
Now the torch, Mum.